Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to start an Airbnb. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to start an Airbnb, you just simply have to install this Airbnb application into your device and create your profile. Then after that, go to this profile section and from there switch your account to hosting at first. Then after hosting your page, you will get to see this homepage into here. Now into this page, you just simply have to list your place at first. In order to do that, just simply go to listing section and then you will get the option to list the product into the top right corner. Just simply tap into this plus button, and now from here you just simply have to list what you have from this section. Just simply tap into create a new listing and follow these 3 steps in order to list your place into Airbnb. The first one is to tell them about your place, where you have to include every details about your place, and the second one is to make it stand out. Means you have to send 5 or more photos plus a title for your place and a description about your place. Then after that, finish up and publish. And this means you have to set a starting price for your place and publish it into your listing. Then, in order to do this, just simply tap to get started and fill up every answers for every question they ask about your place. And after that, you are ready to start on Airbnb. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.